How to subscribe to Beelinguapp Premium. If you're trying to unlock all the features in Beelinguapp and go premium, then first of all, open your Beelinguapp application on your smartphone. In order to get the full access of Beelinguapp, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right corner from your homepage. Now select the premium option from the top. Select the plan according to your preference. You can select from monthly, yearly, 6 months, or Apple Family Plan if you are using your iOS device. Choose the best plan according to your preference and tap on Subscribe Now at the bottom. Now, go ahead and follow through the on-screen instructions and confirm your payment. On your Android, payment is handled through Google Play. On your iPhone through the App Store, just confirm the payment and you are subscribed. Once you are subscribed to the premium, you'll unlock all stories, audiobooks, and content. You'll get ad-free experience, ability to switch languages anytime, and more learning tools and features. So that is how you can easily enjoy a smoother ad-free learning experience with full access to everything in Beelinguapp. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.